Hi, this is Terry with Terri Talks at the Partner Sales. I'd like to introduce Kamil with Data Courage. Kamil, introduce yourself and tell us a lot more about Data Courage.
Hello. Hi, Terry. Thanks for having us. My name is Kamil. I'm with Data Courage. I'm the managing director, and we're happy to tell you what's new in the AI space for the 2024 and where's the opportunity for our partner channel.
Awesome. So, can you let us know exactly what Data Courage is offering? I mean, I've heard all about this AI intelligence going on, Copilot, Fabric. I mean, it's very exciting. It's exactly in the lane that we all want to get into. So could you kind of tell me a little bit about what exactly the modules that you're offering in the intelligence, the AI intelligence?
Terry. So our vision for the customers, for BC customers, and of course partners, is to offer the different perspective on data analytics. So we want to unravel insights straight inside of Business Central very quickly, and we're focusing on what is most important, which is customers items for most of the implementations as well, and the financial area. Yeah. So we've got the apps that we release, and we have already a number of customers using them, and partners, of course, the partner channel growing with it. Because when they're seeing the capabilities of what is available, they want to have this in their offering.
So I heard a case study not too long ago in regards to the brand new module you just brought out, Finance Intelligence.
Yeah.
I mean, could you share with the partners this case study that really was, I mean, so mind-blowing and awesome? Because I know that not only was the end user blown away, but the partner was also.
Yeah. So the story was that the partner discovered financial intelligence in its first phase, first release, and what they liked about it is that for various customers they were able to very quickly define the shape of a very vital, very important report, which is obviously the profit and loss statement, income statement. And imagine that you have a wide variety of chart of accounts out there that you need to manage, and you need to map all the accounts to the structures. So we have given them a trial, and they started doing this in a matter of minutes. So that was really the breakthrough, because normally that would take you days to do this. And then, of course, when you have a lot of those P&Ls in different structures, in different companies, different entities, as we know, you need to modify the mapping of the accounts. All of that is handled by the module of financial intelligence. This is just the beginning of the story, because now that we have this working on any language, meaning that you can hook it up to a German, Dutch, or French database, and it will let you decide whether or not you want to have this report coming at you, and the structure created in the language that of your choosing, or the one that is default for the implementation for this specific entity. So that was really a breakthrough, and really shocked the audience. And now they're working on this. They're working on this in cycles. They're much shorter. And then this is just the first part of it, because we have also enabled the functionality of generating insights. So let alone the report and the numbers, but you actually can have AI go through those numbers and give you the insights about what's going on, and what areas maybe needs improving, or which areas are going okay, and it will let you focus on the things that it detected as something that needs your attention. And then you can ask your own questions, which is also
You can ask your
really
own
really cool.
questions.
Correct,
Help me with
correct. So
that. What does it
so
mean I can ask my own questions?
so you can go to basically to a window inside of Business Central and just start to have a conversation about these numbers. Yeah, and so you can ask questions about how's my 6 months performance on the cost side, on the revenue side. You can ask the questions about pretty much anything regarding this report, and it will
Mhm.
actually also change the way that the report looks like, depending on your question. So if the answer is about, it's you've asked about budget, for example, you've asked about some comparisons, it will not only show you the comparisons, but it will also change the report to make it more easy for you to spot these comparisons. Yeah, so it's a
That is
kind of
so
an
awesome.
it's kind of a new era for this, and that the more I guess something that is worth addressing this is also the ability, or the part of the solution really is a big part of the solution is to avoid something that we all know as AI hallucinations. So something that would, if you enable certain tools available in the market to actually interact with your financial data and just tell you something, it will start making things up, and that was something to limit, to get control of in our tool. So it will answer, and we've actually checked the numbers, we've changed checked the different calculations and everything else, and it shows true. That was really the aspect that was holding us back a long time before we
Okay.
actually released it. Yeah.
So this is awesome news. And I mean, I am just so, so happy to be working closely with you and introducing these to partners across, the globe. Now, as I have been introducing this, there's one thing that I do notice is there's strategic partners now coming on board. They're making it a part of their implementation. So how did that start changing the cycle of data courage? I mean, we're talking about partners actually making it a piece of their implementation.
Correct, correct. This is huge, obviously, for us. It's
But
the
why?
beauty, well, because obviously we're helping with implementations which are shorter, but we also help partners to be able to visualize in front of their customers what it means to have an AI enabled solutions at their hands, right? So something that is unmatched, I would say, at this very moment. There are not many solutions. I actually do not know any solutions at the moment, and we've researched that as well. The the one aspect that is really worth mentioning is that we already have a patent pending approval from different patent authorities for this. So that also shows that we're kind of ahead of the game. And we're continuing on getting these new additional functionalities into the product. We have a whole roadmap set with goals that we want to achieve, and this is all based on customers and partners' feedback, which is also great because they can share it within the app as well. Another aspect of it, Terry, is that it's very easy to install and start using it.
Okay.
It's basically an add-on an extension that you can download from the app stores and start using it on your implementation. And actually, this is great to show this at any customer demo, because it actually proves that AI is not just a buzzword. It's not something that you can generate funny images or generate a marketing text. These are great functionalities, but here we're talking about actually shortening the cycle between getting from data to insights and being able to actually ask relevant questions about your financial information. And we just addressed the financial intelligence. Of course, there is customer and item intelligence that also are available on the app stores, and they're basically there to enable the same thing, the same story in those different domains. Yeah. So when you think about it, when you look at it from this angle, we're actually addressing specific parts of the system, because AI is not a magic wand that will just many people that we spoke with, they've seen AI being a solution to every problem. Of course, that's not the case. If you have data that is not in place and not in shape, then it's really pointless to use AI on top of that. So all of that information that is stored in the systems, that needs to be also in a good shape. But after you have that, and BC Business Central implementations are a great, I think, great example of that, because you have a system that is well managed. It can be very well implemented. It stores the data in a nice and recognizable format, and that based on our 18 years of experience, I think we were able to get to the point where those insights from those different parts of the system can be derived quicker. So it's not just like you have a reporting or a BI solution. It's actually taking all of those pieces, putting it into a specific bucket, such as item or customer. We're going to have supplier coming soon. These are the things that allow us to talk about insights and give those meaningful insights to the user, rather than him having to rely on a lot of different solutions and trying to mash it, and then of course it's the story about the one version of the truth and so on and so forth. Yeah.
Right. So I am really pleased to say that, we've been introducing to partners across the globe, and I can say this, you have a roadmap that is just awesome. I know that we're getting ready to gear up in April for Directions North America. So you guys are going to be present there?
Oh, yes. We're going to be sponsoring the event, also sponsoring some smaller events at Directions or prior to Directions as well. Something funny and something great that we're going to be doing. And these apps that we're going to be showcasing they will have also major release coming just before Directions. Because there is a lot that has changed and evolved over time, and we want to make a bigger splash even with those additional pieces. I don't want to break.
We won't take away the surprise. So I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to see it at Directions North America. Kamil, I wanted to thank you very much for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you in San Diego.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, everybody. That's Terri Talks, and have a great day.